Now the first card sleeves that we have here is this one from Ultra Pro Penny Sleeves. So the one that I got comes in a pack of 1,000 and it holds 2.5 inches and 3.5 trading cards. And I don't really mind or care for this other information here where it's archival safe, non-PVC material, ultra clear. But we'll compare the clearness of all of these card sleeves later on in the video. But this is what it looks like over here. So it comes in a few packs and this is what it looks like. So the first card sleeve that we have is basically just a simple penny sleeve. Now this is as basic as you can get when it comes to card sleeves. So it's very, very easy to put in. And this is what it looks like with the Pokemon card inside of it. It's ultra clear, but you can see that there is still some room for like dust and debris to actually get inside. The corners, if you can see the corner right over there, it does kind of bend when it does like bang up against something. So you can see here, like you'll see how the corners do bend. But this is just basic protection when it comes to protecting your Pokemon cards. I do like the clearness of it. I do use this all the time personally for my collection. And this is what the backside looks like. So this is going to fit basically all sizes of trading cards. If you do use Yu-Gi-Oh cards, this is probably going to be a bit too big. I think there's a different kind of sleeves for Yu-Gi-Oh cards in particular. But you can see that there's some leeway for the card itself. But this is really as basic as you get when it comes to protecting your cards. I mean, I would much rather have this inserted into my card rather than nothing at all. But let's go ahead and move on to the next card sleeve.